call multiplication facts, 5 and 10. Example, there's 2 examples. You gotta see it.
Okay.
5 times 5 equals 25. 10 times 1 equals 10. But any number by 5, you just put a 5. See, like now let's say you're wanting to do okay now let's say you're at 20.
So you are confident in your 5s because you can count by 5s.
Mm-hmm.
You can skip count.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And you can still go on to 5, on to 10.
So today we are going over some more multiplication, 5 through 9, 5 through 10 maybe if we have time. Because we are pretty confident in 0 through 4, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Why do we use multiplication, Michael? Why do we use multiplication, Michael?
Well, we use multiplication. It saves us time, and it's repeated addition.
It's just repeated addition.
You're just doubling up the number.
We are doubling up the numbers. Well, you gave us a couple examples, which is fantastic. I love that. Right now, we're going to watch the 5s and 10s video, and then we'll go through some more on vocabulary.
Come on, listen up, my friends. I'ma tell you how to multiply by 10. It's so easy to do that, you'll be a hero. Cause all you gotta do is add a 0. When you do it, it's so nifty. It goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah, I got it running. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you want to multiply by 5, all you gotta do is open up your eyes and see the answer. You'll be my friend. It's half when you multiply by 10. It goes. She knows how to do it tens. She adds a 0 to the end and she's good. She's good. He knows how to do his 5s. All he has to do is multiply and he's good. He's good. Hey, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. Yeah, I can do it if I close my eyes like I told those guys. I know my 5s. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is
25.
25. 5 times 1 is
5.
That's 5. 5 times 10 is 50. And 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 3 is
15.
Come on, 15. 5 times 9 is
45.
45. She knows how to do it tens. She adds a 0 to the end and she's good. She's good. He knows how to do his 5s. All he has to do is multiply and he's good. He's good. She knows how to do it tens. She adds a 0 to the end and she's good. She's good. He knows how to do his 5s. All he has to do is multiply and he's good. He's good. Hey.
And that was our 10s and 5s.
That was our 10s. We have lots more. We have a few more videos to do. Okay. So what trick did he tell us to do with the 10s? What do you have to do?
Just add a 0.
Just add a 0. So we're going to do this. We need you a marker. I've left my markers over there. They're right there. There's the Sharpie right there. That's it.
Sorry for the boo-boo.
Do you want to start with the 5s or do you want to start with the 10s?
I'll do this one first. 0 through 10 is 0. I mean 0 times 10 is 0. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. 6 times 10 is 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 10 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100.
Okay. Here's where it gets a little tricky. Do you think that you could do 10 times 11 and 10 times 12? Okay. So look where you stop. 10 times 10 is 100. So you have one more 10. 10 times 11 will be what?
10 times 11.
You just had a 0, remember?
1,000. Oh, I'm
Try
sorry.
to write 11 and then add your 0, and what do you get? Equals? 110, because all you do is add.
This one's 120.
So then you could keep going if we did times 13, times 14, because all you do is add what?
Oh, wait. Well, I want to do 10 times 15.
Go to 15, and then we'll stop. And all you do is add what?
A 0. 130. See, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150.
So how easy is it to count by tens?
I mean, like, real easy.
Super easy.
Yeah.
How do you think you would ever count by tens? Like, what do you think you would be doing where you would need to count by tens?
Well, now let's say you have, now let's say you have 8 friends, and there's only 2 cookies. And now how would you divide those up? No. Okay, now let's say you have 5 friends and you have 5 cookies. Now let's say you have 5 friends and 5 cookies.
I think you're on the right track. Let's say like we are teachers and we have lots of students or lots of students in the school. And
Yeah,
let's say you could count all the students by tens instead of
5.
like to divide them up for groups. Like when we
Yeah.
have Eagle Challenge, so she could say 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, and then separate the kids, which would be much easier than going
Oh,
1,
yeah,
2,
like-
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah,
9.
yeah, because I like to, and like there was like 400 something in this school. But now let's say you have 5 friends, each one of them want 5. Each
This
one
is
of
great
them
because we're doing the 5. So let's do this one and then we'll do our example. And that's what we'll do over here to the side.
wants
But I love how you're thinking real world with your multiplication, because it's very important to memorize these facts. It's very important to memorize the tools and the tricks so that we can do our multiplication facts fast, and they'll be easy. The more you do them, the easier it gets. So I noticed you're having a little bit of trouble because you're wanting to put zeros. That gets tricky, doesn't it? Because it's kind of like the tens, but it's skip counting by 5s. Is there a, there's a coin that we use that's worth 5, right? What coin is that?
Nickel.
A nickel. So if you were, say you and your dad were saving lots of change and you had a big old milk jug full of change. So when you learn to count by 5s, you can skip count to count all those nickels together, right? And then you know how many dollars that you have.
Is 5 plus 12 30? No, look at me.
You're just going up by 5.
Okay.
55.
60. Okay, now 5 times 15.
You're only going up by 5. 5s and 10s, when you learn to skip count, so easy. 10s is just so easy because all you have to do is add your 0. Oh my gosh, Michael, see, like you went above and beyond, and that's awesome.
Yeah, I would have 15.
So you can, when your dad are counting your change, you can do your 5 cent,
or
nickels and your 10-cent
dime.
dimes.
Oh, and like, okay, 1 cent is a penny.
Yeah.
Our 5 cent is a nickel. Our 10 cent is a dime.
Mhm.
Our 25 cent
Mhm.
is basically just quarter. And well, there's all kinds of coins are worth different things. Like there's a $50
Yeah.
called 50 cents.
Right.
There's a full dollar called a dollar bill. There's
But it's
also
a coin.
$100 bills, $5 bills.
So cool. We need to watch a few more.
There's oh wait, we already did 5 minutes.
Oh no, we did 5 and 10. We're gonna watch 6.
Oh,
We'll see how far we can get. We don't have a whole lot of time.
well, I want to get rid of that. Well, while that's going on, is either. You want me to go?
Did it send me all the way back? No, I have to go log in.
Okay, while you're doing that, can I do this page?
No, not yet. Go ahead and get the dice out because we're gonna do a game.
Okay. Um,
Yes, sir. Flow, yeah. Did a try. I like salsa and chips, and I like 6. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. I like salsa and chips, and I like 6. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. I say, give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. All right, class. It's time to get busy. Follow me. Look, 6 times 1 is no trick. Cause 6 times 1 is 6.
See if you know when we get
2 doesn't ring a bell. Cause 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3, I don't want to make me. Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4, never snore. Cause 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5, you'll chirp like a birdie. Cause 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6, look how happy the birdie gets. Cause 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is warm like stew. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8, they wait on a date. Cause 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9, give me more. Cause 6 times 9 is 54. And 6 times 10, man, you can text me. Cause 6 times 10 is 60. And these are not just rhymes, man, these some tips. I'm a mathematician, I've got tricks, got tricks. Oh, in my bag, got tricks.
You should already know 6 times 5
Go ahead,
is 6 times
great. I like salsa and chips, and I like 6. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. Say it, give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. I like salsa and chips, and I like 6. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. I say it, give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. Give me 6. Hey, 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 hey. Say, boy, 6
times 10 is 60. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 2 is 12.
I like 6, give me 6. Hey, 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 give me 6. Hey, 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 say, give me 6. Hey, 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 I like salsa and chips, and I like 6, give me 6. Hey, 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 I say, give me 6. Hey, hey.
9.
These are the trickier ones. The 6, 7, 8, and 9. A lot of students have trouble with these. So let's finish those.
9 times 6 is 48 plus 6, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 54. Okay. 60, 66, 66 plus 6, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 72 plus 6, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Oh, wait. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Dang, 15 times 6 is 90.
It's pretty cool, huh?
I don't even guess that yet.
You want this whiteboard?
Yeah. I want to do 3 white ones.
Go ahead and start this one. We're going to do 7. So you can go ahead and start writing your problems if you want. I'm going to hang these up, okay?
If 7 guys walked down the street and picked up trash, 9 pieces each, how much trash would be up off the street? That's 7 times 9, and that's 63. Cause
If 7 kids wanted to have fun and bought 3 toys for each and every one, how many toys would that be? A ton? Well, 7 times 3 is 21, cause
7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Right. 7 times 3 is 21. It's like I'm crouched down and I'm ready to run. Because
7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. I know all the 7 facts. Do you?
7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. And 7 times 10 is 70. Here we go.
Isn't there a name for the numbers on these tables? Like 14, 21, and all the rest? Those numbers are multiples of 7, you bet. So when you multiply 7, that's what you get.
Here we go. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 7 is 49. And I'm at
Okay, do you have that one? And then we're going to do 8s and 9s because these need to be more coming up because these are tricky.
78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. I'm going to do it all the way up to the
Okay, we'll do those in a second because we need to get this video started.
No, we don't put it on top of each other.
Okay. There's that.
Wait, I want to do already know.
I know, but this is the video that we're supposed to do them separately.
Yo, B, do you know about your eights?
Man, I know about my eights and I feel great.
Well, I bet I know my eights better than you.
Let me hear you spit some rhymes and we'll see if it's true.
Like 8 times 1, I won't make a mistake. I know 8 times 1 equals 8.
8 times 2.
Man, you won't trick me. I know 8 times 2 is 16.
8 times 3.
Yeah, of course. I know that 8 times 3 is 24.
8 times 4, I get up early, dude. Cause 8 times 4 is 32.
Man, don't get it twisted like a curly Q. I'm like a bird, cause I can get up early too. So 8 times 5, I know that surely, man. 8 times 5 is 40.
8 times 6, stop, wait. 8 times 6 is 48.
8 times 7, man, I'm flipping the script. Cause 8 times 7 is 56.
8 times 8,
Oh, I'm
That's
flipping
the
it more.
4, 8,
cause 8 times 8 is 64.
8 times 9, I think I'm better than you. Cause I know 8 times 9 is 72.
8 times 10 is easy, easy. Cause 8 times 10 is 80. What you think about that, Tragic? Come on.
Yo, B, do you know about your 8s?
Man, I know about my 8s and I feel great.
Well, I bet I know my 8s better than you.
Let me hear you spit some rhymes and we'll see if it's true.
Yo, B, do you know about your 8s?
Man, I know about my 8s and I feel great.
Well, I bet I know my 8s better than you.
Let me hear you spit some rhymes and we'll see if it's true.
I check it. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 10 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is, come on, 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 9 is 72.
108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 108, 18, 119, 120.
Awesome. Now let's do our 9s. It's just practice, Michael.
Check. Now 9 is a little bit magic. You can take it from me, off tragic.
Yeah, when you multiply by 9, the digits in the answers add to 9.
Hold up, Tragic, I don't get what you mean.
Okay, take 9 times 2, which is 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. And that's true every time. Check it out. 9 times 10 is 90. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63. And 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27.
Hang on, Michael. Hang on just a second, please.
Sorry.
So our video cut short because the battery died on our camera. So what you missed in our lesson was we played a dice game to find some multiplication problems. Our exit slip, which is multiplying just various problems, 0 through 10. So our goal was, which we said in the first video, so I'm going to put these together, I'm sorry, that math, I can recall multiplication facts 0 through 10. So that's what we're working on. I know, but our ultimate goal is 0 through 10.
Yeah.
But we focused on 5 through 10. And then we have exit slips and some assessments at the end. So go ahead, Michael, with our first problem. So 1 digit times a 1 digit.
Well, okay, 22.
No, 2 times. Okay, that's an easy one. Probably know that one. Awesome. So now we're going to do a 2 digit.
2 times 1.
No, 21.
21.
Times a 1 digit. 1 times 5.
That one is 5. 10. 105.
Okay, write your answer.
Okay, now I'm going to do 2 digit by 1. 54
That's a hard one.
times 2. So that will be.
So I actually set it up to where you could, it's just like this except it has lines. Do you think you can do it here?
Okay, so it's 8. 108. Okay. 35. No, I'll do 53. 53 times 5.
Oh, you're going to have to carry on this one.
This one's 15. So it will be 26. 265. You thought I wouldn't know those.
An exit slip. Just to practice some skills. That's expected though. I mean, just for spring break. It's 4.
So 4. Miss Holly, what's the date? 4 what? 4 dash 1.
8.
Is it May? Is it May already?
It's April.
Oh, it's 8. April 8 dash 14. Okay, so 5 times 9 equals 10. 0.
I love how you do the ones you know first. Thank you. I mean, that's trickery right there.
Times 8. 6 times 5 equals 30. So 30 times.
We'll do 8 times 5 equals what?
Oh wait. 8 times 5 equals 45. 40.
That's 8.
So 48. Right? Okay, so that's 48. 6 times 7. Wait, 7 times 5 equals 35. So 35 plus 7, right? Okay, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 42. Yeah, it's 40. This will be.
Go to the one you know. 9 times 5.
I'm gonna do this one. Wait, 9 times 5, is that on? Oh, wait. 9 times 5 is 45. So 48. 49, 50.
Wait a minute, you skipped. You went from 45 to 48.
Oh, sorry. 46, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So that's 54. Now 3 times 6. That is 18.
Awesome.
I just want to make sure I got it. So it's. Yep, I got everything. Okay.
So answer these honestly. There's your I can multiply 0 to 10.
Oh, no.
Are you confident?
Hold on, wait. Let me do this. Let me do 0, 10, 100.
You're so precise. Glad you did that so everybody will know. So that's how you did, which is awesome. How I did, awesome.
Okay.
And then how confident are you in your skills?
Good. Really good.
Awesome.
I'm being honest too.
Thank you, Mr. Harrison.
So, bye! Hope you watch all of it.